everybody, it's Rose. Thanks for joining me. And I want to thanks, I have a couple new subscribers, so welcome and thanks for subscribing. So today I got this split cup for Christmas, 4-way chamber, and I want to test it out. So that's what we're going to do. This is an old painting I did that I'm not happy with, so I'm just going to pour over it. It's a little warped too, so I hope that doesn't cause a problem drying, but we'll find out. And I hope I have enough paint, so let's just go right in. I have just 4 colors. This painting I did was with a huge split cup. It was way too big for my hand, and Sienna brought me this, so this fits in my hand a little easier. So I don't know where I was going with that. Anyway, so last time, that's where I was going. Last time when I did this painting, I put multiple colors in each chamber. This time, I'm just doing 1 color in each chamber. So there's different ways to do it. There's different ways to pour your paint. So I'm gonna fill it all the way up, each one. So, and a lot of people do ring. They do a ring pour. I'm just thinking what color I want next. Sorry. Yeah. I'm not going to do a ring pour with this. I want to try something else. So I'm trying to get it the same amount of paint. So we'll see. I'm going to travel down and then hope to travel back. I hope I have enough paint. That's the tricky thing, you know, that I have. My problem is not enough paint, too much paint, my paint's too thick, my paint's too thin. It's cold in New England, so things are starting to dry and crack. Trying to keep the room at the same temperature. And I'm still trying to figure this all out, so I'm pretty new at this. Right whenever I think I know what I'm doing, I don't. I don't know what I'm doing. But I want to know what I'm doing, so I keep trying. So these are my colors: black, a pale blue, copper, and a turquoise. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to go from my right to left. Okay, so hopefully, I hope this is in camera. Once it starts to go down. I think what's interesting, so see the copper is in the middle of the chamber, but unless it's how I'm holding it, it's going on the outside. Science. Okay, now I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna fill it up again with whatever paint I have. And go travel down this way. That's the plan. Okay, I hope you can see this. Here we go. If not. So I hope you're well. My plan for those who are new, as you can see, I don't have many videos. I do videos for a public library, and most of these videos are going to be testing out things before I do it on the public library site, but I do want to focus on a couple techniques. And my hope is to do at least one a week for this channel, and the library has been once a week also. Black stick. You know, last time I was gonna speed it up and put music on. Well, here's the thing: I am not tech savvy. I tried. Okay, so now I turned the cup and I'm going this way. See what happens. Now I'm going to need to flow extender and all that stuff. So I'm going to do the sides now. I'm going to use this all up because this is a big canvas and I have the paint. Just gonna let it drain there. So I'm gonna get my torch. Any air bubbles? There's a few. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the black. Actually, I want to keep the stick. Take the stick out. And that's kind of cool right there. So the stretching is tricky. I don't know. All right, we're gonna do this again. So I did this painting, I wasn't happy with it. I wasn't sure if I wasn't happy with it. So I let it dry, and then once it was dried, it was confirmed I wasn't happy with it. So I'm painting over it. All right, so here we go. Oh boy. I'm gonna go over the edges first. I don't want any paint to drip off yet. Sometimes, so I only use 4 colors, and sometimes going simple is the best way to go. I'd say I'm gonna speed this up on the computer, but I don't know how to do that yet. If only I had tech-savvy children. I'm just kind of going over that corner. For those who don't know, I do have tech-savvy children, but they're busy. I will turn the canvas in a second. Just don't want to move it quicker. Yeah, so a lot of people do the ring pause on the cup. I just wanted to try that first. Okay, getting there. See this? Sorry, I'm not seeing so just wait a second, and I'm going to torch it again. I want to get rid of some of that though. Like there's a lot of air bubbles. And you can get that from just moving the paint around. Okay, now, oh, I dripped a little on the floor. Did I get myself? I want to get that. lot of paint on the mat, so I'm just helping it over the edge here. And for me, I need to look at it from all angles. But this is a little messy. I don't know. I kind of want, I don't know. I don't know. The colors. I like it better than what was on there. There is a lot of black. It's moving slower. So I think I'm gonna stop. It's abstract and there's some cells going on. I think it's going to change up a bit. We'll do that in a minute. So yeah, I think that's where I'm going to stop. So thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you're all doing well and have yourself a great day. Peace. I'll show you the dried result. All right, bye now. All right, here is the dried results. I'm really happy with it. To me, it looks like a meteor shower. I'll get closer. There is a little cracking, but I'm okay with it. But it's so cool. See the little meteor showers? I like it much better than what was on there. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me. Subscribe if you're viewing, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.